Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the underdress. The best thing about this technique is that you don't need to calculate or measure anything when making the front. You can just add a fitting ease if you want. The side seams in the front and the back details match. I need to raise the shoulder for about 2 cm for the balance. This line should be bias. If you add 2 cm here, this side should be about 5 mm shorter. The shoulder is ready. Have a look here. Draw a mark on the center front at the same level with the shoulder top. Measure 8 cm down from it. This is the neck base. Don't waste time trying to measure it accurately. We don't really need this point. 7, 8, 6 cm. Everything is okay. Next, I need to measure 15 cm down from it. This is my front neckline. You can make it as deep as you want. Now I can draw the front neckline. I remind you that you can make any neckline you want. Make it as deep as you want. I want it to be 15 cm deep. Next, I need to make the side seam longer for about 5 or 6 cm. It depends on the bust size. You can add up to 8 cm. This is the part which should be made longer. I need to make the side seam 6 cm longer. This is the opening of my chest dart. When I make the dart, the side seams will match. Next, I need to draw a new armhole. Notice how it should look like. I fold the back detail to mark the bust top on the front. It should be 30 cm down from the shoulder and 12 cm to the left from the center front. This is the bust top. Next, I need to draw the dart. I remind you that the opening is 6 cm wide. You can draw a dart wherever you want. I want to draw it here. I measure 6 cm on the side seam and draw the dart. I want to alter the armhole a bit. Now I can start cutting. Be very attentive. I don't know why, but it's hard to draw on this fabric. Don't ask why I don't add anything here. Shoulders should be even. I match them this way before cutting. When I finish cutting, I'll tack the shoulder and the chest darts. Have a look here. It's better to make the bust a bit wider. This is how I do it. Do not forget to make notches on the waistline. These points should match after tacking. An underdress should be accurate. I'm making the dress of silk. If you make it of knitted fabric, you don't need to make chest darts or anything else. I've already tacked the center back. The back is almost ready. The chest dart is pinned, so I can trace it to the other side. Next, I need to tack the dart. Notice that one leg of the dart is longer than the other. Don't try to gather it or stretch the other side. Tack it the way it is. And then cut the extra piece. Usually, the opening of my chest dart is wider. As I've already said, I don't want the underdress to be close-fitting. This is how the dart looks like now. Don't even try to gather it. I'll just cut the extra piece. Be very careful and attentive when working with silk. Don't hurry when cutting and taking it. When I tack the side and the shoulder seams, I'll try the dress on. Have a look at me. The underdress is tacked. I will stitch it and edge it with the bias binding. These parts were too wide after taking, so I asked one of the tailors to pin them. This is how the underdress looks like now. I like underdresses because some items don't look good when they're aligned. As I've already said, you can make an underdress of any design. Change the neckline, shoulders, length. I prefer silk and viscose underdresses. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.